This is a pretty simple pencil box, which granted people haven't had need for at least 40 or 50 years, but you can store 4 decks of playing cards in there. I built this out of canary wood and black walnut for the top as well as the splines. I incorporated a little bit of a lip on the bottom of that pull so when you close it together the miters won't slam together, preventing any type of chipping. But you raise it up and it sits flush. I guess the part that might scare away most beginning woodworkers are the miters, but if you practice enough you'll get the hang of those. And also the glue up. You can see, or you saw that I used a banding clamp, and if you over tighten those it'll send the whole box out of square. So I would do a lot of dry fitting before I even introduce glue. Pretty simple project, as I mentioned. You could probably knock out 2 or 3 of these in a weekend, and most of that time will be dedicated for waiting for the glue to dry. I'm sending this to a friend of mine out in California who happens to be an editor. I know she'll have the pens and pencils to keep inside, but this is a great project, and small wood boxes, for whatever reason, they're crowd pleasers. You can work on the most intricate clock or the most intricate highboy, and this will get as much of a response as some of those builds. So, easy project, fun to build, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.